Chico! 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 Come here!
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Chico, you see, I think we need the services of a cook and a driver in this house. Because since my wife traveled abroad, I can notice that my children are passing through so much stress trying to make things happen in the house. So I don't want them to have that kind of problem anymore. So we need to take care of the house for them. And moreover, we have people outside who need this job and who needs the money. So what can I do than employ them? So I need somebody very good and reliable. Can you do that?
Okay, that one okay, wow. I know somebody, my brother, for fish. Wait, like say, he's a little right well. I go call him. Okay, you go right now. If I call him, you go come see me now.
Do I know him?
Okay, he name na Shari. He don't drive for worry. He drive for Lagos. He don't go Sarabika. He drive. He's a drive. Okay, sorry.
Sorry.
You go really walk well.
Okay, no, that's no problem. Just do it, but I want somebody reliable. Whatever you can do, do. But I want a reliable person as fast as possible.
Okay, sir. Okay, yeah.
Open the gate for me.
Okay, sir.
Gentlemen, thanks so much. You see, from the reports I've seen so far, I think we really need to do the right thing.
That's right.
See, because our product right now has taken the lead in the market. So I want us to be more steadfast and consistent so that we will be able to break into the international market.
Yeah, yes, sir. Talking about the international standard of it, sir, our company really needs it to boost the sales.
Yes.
And I believe we have what it takes to make that, sir.
I think that's where I have to come in.
Well, I know you can do that.
It is a strategy that I have to execute to increase the sales and the income of this company, in which I think it will really work for this company so far.
Well, I'm convinced you are capable of doing that.
Oh,
but still, you have to make your plans available and ready.
Right.
And then Mr. Olu will give you all the necessary details you need about the company.
Okay, sir.
But in the meantime, I was thinking of something. See, I want us to do adverts so that this company will circulate round.
Yes, sir. About the advert, plans has already been made for that, sir.
Oh!
And I believe by now the advert will be on TV for airing now.
Oh, that's nice. That is beautiful. You guys are doing well.
Thank you so
Doing
much.
so well.
Thank you.
Well, I think I can rest my mind. That will be all for now. Okay. Mr. Olu, it's on your way out. Ask the secretary to come in.
Okay, sir. All right.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
a few work to do, so everybody in the office. That's my girl. I hope I'm not going to tell this to mommy on the phone.
Now you didn't notice the address now.
Now the address where you give me.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
Ah, where go?
I dey read well.
You don't do.
Chico.
Hey,
Chico.
I will come and we go. Oka back home. We Oka come. I will tell you to Oka.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Chico.
Hey, Charlie.
Your body fine though.
Yes, sir.
You see the way you can't look like Obodo you go.
I dey enjoy my hair. I will go inside. Go inside.
Hello? That's what I said now. Let the accountant do the... He should just proofread and I'll take care of that when I get to the office. Alright then. Alright, have a nice day. Sorry gentlemen, what did you say your name is?
Oga, my name na Charlie Lado. The Lado na for people when they get money like you, na in they call am.
It's okay. You two brothers.
Oka no. No, my brother. Now because say I record pikin. Now make me record my brother from another parent.
Oga, the truth be say, me and her not be brother, I no go feel like. But in mama, he hand over and put for my hand. Say make her take care of her because of all those bad boys.
Charlie,
Wait, Chico,
don't write yourself. Oh.
behave yourself.
Who you want to take up?
Behave yourself.
You will take up me?
It's okay. It's okay.
Don't write yourself. Oh.
It's all right.
Behave yourself
It's okay.
now.
I don't want any strife.
Okay.
But I just want somebody that will do the job perfectly well.
Oga, I dey for that one.
So if you can do that, we don't have a problem. And as for your salary, I'll pay you the same thing I pay Chico.
Oh, thank you very well. Thank you well, Oga. Thank you well.
Okay, wait, I want to talk something. I mean, okay, no vex, wait. No, then Nami vex come back, come they work. You couldn't tell me, say, me, I go look for somebody where go to ride. I couldn't tell you, say, my brother, Charlie, village, I will go village, come carry, I come see. You don't supposed to pay me this money where you paid this area boy. Sorry, this boy. This money. You don't go now.
Chico, you better behave yourself. I go beat you for you.
Why you want?
You won't make a beat you for you. I bet you they jealous.
Why you go collect money?
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, Oga.
It's okay.
Okay.
Okay, Oga.
Chico, don't worry. Eh? By the end of this month, I'll do something about that. I will increase your salary.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that one cool.
And Chico will show you around so you know what to do. Chico,
Okay, Oga.
take him inside.
Okay, but don't try yourself.
Man, my friend make you.
Now me carry you come studio.
If you carry me,
Now me carry you come studio. Don't try yourself.
Even if you carry me, you know not be your senior.
Take your time.
You better be.
Take your time.
No, you because
I don't need
you go there.
I better go. Daddy, I tell you yesterday, say, we go win on them for that match. We're going to play yesterday.
Now because say those our players get injury. If not, nothing like that. No.
Come on, Boria. We go win on, I know, see, that our player, where they go, Ronaldo, where they Yuri Bora, he won't score Ronaldo.
Na lie be that. Now because of say, make we leave that matter. You get wetin I want ask you. Chico. E be like say Oga get money well.
Jare, now that one is a job. I don't dare you say, Oga get money well. Just that you know the believe, but I tell you something. This your small brain, you know they use how they talk something.
Chico, no dey insult me. You know me say because say you first me come city, say you know pass me.
Yes, now. I don't buy you now. Come, this na Siri. That one na village. Better shine your eye. Even though all these boys, serious boys them. They go you they do mugu, they go catch mugu.
Stop use me take do mugu. You don't know me. You don't know my credentials for village. You are be. They'll come use me take do mugu for this town.
See, Jario, all these boys, they go you but it then wait, that na Syria. This Navi, that na Siri, this na Siri, that one na village. Me I tell you, all these boys they go you tell you baby so we
they not fit. But Chico, I won't ask you. Where Oga wife?
Oga wife, don't go abroad. You have to go abroad.
Yeah, abroad.
Yeah.
Now be say Oga and his children, all of them they go abroad like who they go school. Hey, now wow, now be say as they work, they follow them too. One day I go there abroad. I be love it so. Waiting.
You go abroad. Now who you go abroad? Now I mean they tell you say they go
there. Hey, Chico, you don't cross line.
No,
me.
You know me say so your root to tell you.
Illiterate. Now you call me.
Now no be illiterate. Okay, call you.
Yes, Oga.
Come, I want you.
Yes, Oga.
Go get the Sienna key. I want to use the Sienna.
Okay, Oga.
And
Okay, Oga.
You go and open the key.
Okay, Oga.
Take this to the car.
Okay, Oga. Thank you, Oga.
Yes, Mom. Yeah, I'm done with them. I want to wash my clothes, sweep the house. Yeah. I can take care of myself. You're the best. Yeah. Okay. Let me give it to her. Take. Mom is on the phone.
I'm fine. I'm really okay. Well, we're missing. When are you coming? Very soon. Okay, Mom. Let me give my phone.
Yes, Mom, yeah. Okay, that reminds me. We have a new driver. That just employed him. He has gone to work. Mom? They have started again though. Okay, take it.
Hello. Yes. And we're starting exam next week. When we're reading. Alright, Mom. Bye. I love you.
Mom, we have heard you. Yes. Love you, Mom.
Chico! 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 Chico!
Start talking.
Small madam. Actually, I go drop Oga. As I drop Oga, na him the thing come dey catch me. I come drive reach gate. Dey horn pound pound pound. Hey, Shiko no answer me. Now I run. I reach Shiko place. No, kpaka kpaka kpaka. Shiko see, he no answer me. And this one when I dey tell una so, I leave motor for outside. I never even park the motor. Now with race, now they run. As I run past like that, now I come. I come do one foreign for here.
That's why you almost pull off the door.
Small madam, I dey very sorry. But you know, say that thing, the speedometer I take dey come. If I not rush, pull am come out for my system, I fit go shit for body.
You know what?
Yes,
Before you leave this place, make sure you clean that thing up.
Okay, small madam.
Unfortunately, please go and take your bath.
Okay, small madam. I'll tap you. Go and take your bath. Small madam. After cleaning, take your bath. These small children don't get respect for elders. Rich man they carry block, no. Rich man they carry cement, no. Rich man they build the hole, oh, not two header for bringo. It's not so I not say the work. Hey, God bless. Chico, come, quick. Chico. Run now, Come first. God don't bless me this morning. Hey, Chico, come. See, I dey sing, na God bless me. 500 naira. This kind money.
Sorry?
Eh?
No money be rich o.
Na money na 500 naira.
Sorry, na my money be rich o, I dey buy o.
Ah, Chico. No be me call you just now make you come see money. How you take be your money now?
Why dey joke like that, Sorry? Na my money be rich, wetin dey do you?
Oh, small boy when you no get sense. I call you just now make you come see money. Now the money don't turn to your own. Look, you better be careful.
Sorry, come on.
Chico, come on, come.
Sorry.
You make you go your duty post, oh. Now me call you come here make you come see 500 naira. What is wrong with you?
Reach 500 naira. Na for my ring, my rob this money for here for dream.
Go back to your dream. Go back to your dream. Come on. Look, Chico.
Sorry?
I dey sorry for you.
Sorry?
If I dismantle you,
Sorry?
you better move.
Let me tell you something. This money, na me carry am. Na me rob this money for my ring yesterday. Come on for your place.
Chico, this one na my department. Now you be the driver.
Sorry?
Eh?
This money, na me rob am for here for ring yesterday.
For dream?
Yes.
For dream.
Na me give am
Chico,
go collect
I
am.
dey warn you, go back to your duty post.
Eh?
I said go back to your duty post.
Sorry?
I just dey sorry for you.
Sorry?
I go dismantle you.
Sorry, I go kill you.
I go kill.
What's going on? Chico,
Oga.
go and open the Charlie enter. Let's go.
Okay, Oga.
I said, go and open the gate. You enter. Let's go to the office.
Okay, Oga, they won't enter
Quickly,
now.
let's go.
Go your duty post. This one na my department. What you do now?
What is your problem? What is going on here? Oh, I think two of you are tired of working for me. I think I'm going to sack you and get you out of this compound right now. What is the problem? Why are you delaying me?
Okana Shario.
You shut up your mouth. Okay, what is your problem? Why don't you want to go? You go to your way. Let's go.
Oga, I go talk.
So what is it?
As I dey clean this morning, God come bless me with 500 naira for near tire for you. Come out your leg.
Sorry?
Come out your leg.
Chico, take your leg off that.
Make Oga see am. Oga, see the money for here. God bless me with 500 naira. Chico come live in department. Come my department. One come become my head of department.
Sorry,
How is that money your own?
He say stand for dream, Oga.
Okay, wait. Reach money, yesterday for my ring. Now put this money for you.
It's okay. If 500 naira will give you problem, let's see. Okay. It's now 2.
Okay,
You
Oga.
take one and you take the other one. Actually, the problem is over.
Thank you, Oga.
Okay, you are correct, okay. I like you well. I don't think you can have correct man.
But you go take the one when you get button tire. Me go take this one.
Sorry, you take your own well.
Oga, thank you, Oga. Make we dey go. If I drive, come on, then you go where we dey go. Stupid boy. You dey follow, come my department, won't come.
I come. It's not your car. I'll kill you.
Go.
God of miracle, now my papa. This song is very cool. This chord where they do send for me. I like this song. Who call good? Call, give me the job. I'm going to because your TV where I ask like this. This my man who got ass. This man who got ass. Me, I'm going to get up. Hey,
Chico.
Charlie.
How you dey? I get wetin I wan tell you. I just dey think. You know, say since when we come so, this compound so, e just dirty one kind. So I wan say make you dey maintain the compound so that when Oga come, Oga go know say we dey try well. Chico, na you I dey talk to.
I don't sure say they job to me, Charlie.
Chico.
Yeah, I say you don't wake up well.
Chico.
You don't wake up well.
Chico, I say na you na I dey talk to. The agbo when you dey take every morning, e don enter your coconut brain.
Sorry?
Mm.
Me I tell you something eh.
Mm.
Return that way go fire you. You dey for village. You dey wait. You dey do prayers of our village. You dey come this city. But if you reach this city, you go bust your head.
As the thunder enter the city, now you be the first person. You go just strike.
Sorry?
Chico.
Now me bring you current city. Now me carry you come this come back. No current you anyhow. Me no let me. Gather for you. Think this, but you are going warrior.
Chico, you no fit do anything. Boy, in fact, you no reach. I go tell you say khaki no be leather.
Oh, Jari, I don't see and say, now you the same come from village. Me come worry me. But Jari, me I tell you something. That baby will send you from village come here. Come worry me. Your plan not go work. Tell them say your plan not work.
Chico, I dey warn you. Since you no get respect for elders, I go show you 9-9 this morning.
Jari, I don't tell you.
I will show you 9-9 this morning.
Jari, I don't tell you.
I say I go show you 9-9.
Jari, Jari, you, Jari, you, Jari, Jari, I go.
You.
Jari, you, I will kill you.
You, I be professional boxer.
Jari,
I be professional
you
boxer.
carry me play.
If I give you one, you go just fall die.
Jari, I will kill you.
Don't let me. Chico. Now because say I dey sorry for you. Who be that?
Na me.
Who be you? Who you be? You don't need to greet to come inside. You do fine, oh.
Cook wanted.
Not true.
Interested.
You dey serious? Abi you dey look for me or you dey look for Oga? If na Oga, I fit tell am when he come say you come ask of am.
No, not Oga. Cook, food.
Food. Okay. But you serious?
I'm serious. Please, I really need this job. Please, you have to help me. There's any way you can help me, please.
You mean say you sabi cook well?
Yes.
All kind of food.
Yes.
And it is sweet.
Yes.
Just the way you sweet. And you go sweet like you. Okay, sorry, no vex. You know wetin? Na me be the chief security officer for this place. And I go talk to Oga for you. If you serious and if you sabi cook well because me I go like test am. Seriously?
You can help me?
Yes, ma'am. Hey.
Please, you have to help me. I will be very happy.
No problem at all.
So, when am I going to resume?
Make you come by 9 o'clock.
9.
Yes.
In fact, 9 o'clock. It's too far. 7 a.m. tomorrow. I'll be the first to wake you up.
No problem.
Thank you
but
very
9
much.
we go meet Oga for house.
Don't worry. I will come.
Okay.
Thank you. God bless you.
Okay. How you find her? Hi. See the way she is. Hi.
I beg you, there's no Gary, no food for somebody to yop. Me, I don't manage this Gary white here, because the people never yop the real. Me, I don't manage them.
Chico! I just enjoy myself, bada. You dey chop?
No, I don't hear about it. I don't get it, Larry.
Chico, if you see the kind girl when he find work come this compound today when you know dey, my dear, that girl, I know say na my village that girl from come because our village we dey produce fine fine girls.
You, Daddy, for your mind now, you feel real? That girl now in our village, you will come say because they get fine. My brother, go sleep. Why you visit on our village? You really talk.
Hi, Kaishiko, I know say you no go ever believe me, Sam. But see, you know say devil na bad devil. But this one, I can tell you say that girl na God pikin.
Then who you can be? Na devil pikin you can be.
God punish you. Make thunder suspend for the top of you. You dey insult me. You
no insult me.
You no dey fear. You no get respect for elders. I go carry this your gagagari stone your head.
Daddy?
No, nonsense.
Daddy?
You get wetin I wan warn you. For your information, that girl, if they come here, come work tomorrow. And if she come, I no wan hear say, you, Shiko, troublemaker, you near am. If you near am, I go break your leg, break your hand, break all your body. Stay away, I don dey warn you.
Daddy, consider Daddy. You dey talk say me I don't hear again.
Yes.
That means nobody go pass this place. Oh. Since you talk say this girl fine well. That means I go welcome mama, no problem.
No welcome am. And I make I dey tell you, I no like your welcome. In fact, I forbid you to welcome am. If you welcome am, I go break your hand, I go break your leg. If I will break your 2 hands and leg, you go dey waka like this. You dey see am? Lippy bombo.
When you talk like this, that means nobody go pass you. You don't know say for this place, na me be the chief security CSO and EGM for this compound.
Me no CSO. Chico, wetin be EGM?
You see where you are the job. You don't know anything. And you come my village, carry you come there, you come. You don't know anything. GAO mean executive German. Why do you make you dey laugh, Daddy?
Hey, Chico, executive goat man.
No be code man.
I say goat man.
Na German. You don't know anything. Now you be code man.
Yeah. You're this one when you dey make so I dey warn you before I go shook your leg inside fire.
Come out here.
Hey, my friend, go.
Daddy, don't drive me
I
out.
thought they warn you.
Abeg, come out here.
Young lady, what is your name?
Fancy Okosi, sir.
Fancy Okosi. And have you been told what you are about to do here?
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Good. And hope you are very prepared to take very good care of my children. Because I don't joke with them. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So when do you want to start?
Oga, I don't try her. She good, well. She go start now, immediately.
Sir, I know how to cook very well. In fact, my mother was a very good cook before she passed away.
Oh, okay. That's nice. That's okay. You can go now.
Okay, Oga. Okay.
When you are ready to start, my children will show you around. Huh? Okay. You can join they will take you somewhere.
Thank you, sir. Sir, you have a very beautiful children. Thank you, sir.
They are my pride. It's okay. When you're ready to start, let me know so they can take you around. Do you like her? You sure you want her to? Okay. I don't want you stressed up anymore. You feel happy now?
Yes.
You should be smiling.
Oh, my dear. How are you? I'm fine. Man. How was it? Otago. How's everything? Fine. Where's your daddy? Oh, right. You guys eating this morning? No. What? Good morning, ma. Good morning. You are?
Oh, she's a new cook.
Alright, you people have a new cook now.
Yes.
What is your name, young lady? And what are you going to prepare for us this morning?
My name is Fansima, and I'm planning on preparing starch and banga soup.
Will you eat that?
Yeah.
What do you want to eat?
Fried rice.
Oh no, that should be later. That should be later. I hope you are good as well.
Yes, ma'am.
She's nice. I like her.
Me too.
Anyway, since both of you said you love her and you like her, I will rest my case. But my eyes are still open.
Okay.
Guys, take my bag inside.
Okay.
I have something to read.
This is serious. I am so tired. How am I not going to get a job? Who is going to help me? I have moved from one place to another place, submitting applications, yet nobody wants to employ me. And I've not even eaten. God, I need you to help me. Please be my helper. How do I even get home? I need somebody to give me transportation. I think I must beg. Because if I don't, there is no way I can get home. Father, please help me. My head don't burn. Excuse me. Auntie, please excuse me. Good afternoon. I want an assistance from you. As it is, I can't get to my destination and my place is very far from here.
Sorry, I don't think I can do that.
Why?
Because I don't know you. Besides, you speak good English. Why must you beg?
About that, please understand something. I'm a graduate with first-class honor. And as it is in this country, I can't get a job without connection. And I don't have anybody that can push me. So that is the major reason why I am where I am today. So I need your assistance.
Are you really sure about that?
I can't lie with my situation. The least I can do with myself is to be frank and be sincere about my situation. So I want you to assist me with anything at all. The major thing is that I get to my home safely.
Okay, I will give you some money now.
Oh,
Tomorrow,
thank you.
try and see me.
Okay.
Let me inform my dad about it. If he can employ you in his company.
Really? That would be very, very gracious of you. Thank you. I am so grateful for that. What a hope.
Manage this.
Manage? This is more than manage. This is more than enough. Thank you.
Try and see me tomorrow.
Yes, of course. I will see you tomorrow. In your office, Abi. Okay, no problem. Thank you. I'm grateful. Thank you.
I have discussed with my dad and he has promised to approve it. So you are expected to resume work on Monday.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
So there is a party with your 3-bedroom apartment, well furnished.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, this is a miracle. Finally all my struggles and suffering finally over. I cannot thank you enough. I am so grateful. May God bless you for me.
It's okay. Make sure you have good behavior and be diligent with your work.
I promise, ma. I will be very, very diligent in my work and I will not fail you. You can be rest assured. But I have a question to ask.
Please, don't call me ma. My name is Monica. I'm not married.
Okay, sorry, Monica. I'm very, very sorry. There is something I want to ask of you. I want to take you on a date if you don't mind. Please. And I'm not going to take a no for an answer because you'll be very nice to me.
Before you do that, why can't you get to know me and your other co-worker?
Well, I think I still need the date.
Okay, if I must go with you, I don't keep late movements. You must bring me home early. Else, my dad will bounce on you.
That is not a problem at all. I don't want your father to go and bounce on me. I've got to do what you say. No problem, my lady. Chico! Oh, Baba, Lobo. Chico! Chico!
Charlie, wait now. When you not doing like this now?
See the way you dey sleep there. Why you dey sleep like this? What did they do you?
Now, you don't go swearing fingering when I dream. Dream na about you.
About me?
Yes, sir.
Abeg, Chico, tell me.
Charlie, same. Reach your marriage dream before you just waka go gather your ring.
Oh, yeah, tell me.
Dream my inside the dream, I see you. You dey waka for road. I go see one fine girl. You and I go there. You go top the girl. You get go say, you go say you like the girl. Right, the girl go say like you. You go say, okay, you go give you work, may you work.
Give me work?
Yes, sir. Inside the dream.
Inside the dream?
The girl go say, go give you work, now come marry.
Hey,
you don't get money, sir. You don't get money, sir. You transport. But the girl go give you money.
I go get money?
Yeah, you go get money well.
Hey.
Then you know the waka go get away.
Yeah, Chico.
Then you just spoil everything now.
Chico.
Go with me for the dream.
Chico. I beg. Go back to the dream.
Daddy, I don't be go back. You don't know what me now.
Chico, you must go back to that
Daddy,
dream.
I don't be go
Chico, go back to that dream. I said go back to that dream. Go back. Go back to the dream. You must go back to that dream.
Now, we're going to play this game. The rule of the game is whoever fails, a slap. Agreed? Yeah, alright. Very slave. Andrew. Mike. Jigs. Jackson. Oh God. Okay, let's finish. Gay slave. Blessing. Rosemary. Sandra. Joy. Osas. Success. Happiness. Precious. Delight.
Fancy. I dey hungry. My belle dey turn me. I wan chop my afternoon food.
It's called lunch, not afternoon food. Now correct yourself.
Okay. Can me have my afternoon lunch?
It's not can me, can I. By the way, it's just past 11 a.m. You just finish your breakfast.
The truth be say, I take medicine when doctor say make I take. And the medicine, if you not see food, you go grind all the things when you dey inside my bed.
It's okay. I will go and bring your food for you. Mind you, don't ask for another food today.
But I fit ask for my evening food.
Hey. It's called dinner. Evening food is called dinner.
Okay.
Let me go and bring your food.
Okay. Can we have my afternoon food? Na game una dey play?
No, food please. Continue. Alright.
Yes, okay. Fancy. Thank you. Fancy.
I already stop. I'm going to meet it today. But let's try again. I'm going to play now.
Nancy.
My name is not Nancy. My name is Fancy.
Okay, I don't hear. Fancy, Nancy, all of them are the same name. The name by well. I just can't tell you.
Good morning. What is
Morning. This day where I go jog, I just want to tell you say, I love you, I like you well. Ever since you don't go this come back, go to work for you, and my mind no the rest again. I like you well. I went to marry me. I go to him, say I see you. Me and you continue, go to sleep, go to do la rip, go inside the rip.
Chico, what's that? I don't understand. What is it?
I just go there and say I love you now.
Please, I'm not in the mood to laugh this morning, as you can see. I'm doing some cleaning, You should know we are not in the same category now, See, if this is what you want, I will help you out.
Well, Nancy, sorry, Fancy, I serious, I love you well.
I said I want to help you out. When I go to the market today, I'm going to look for beautiful girl for you. As for me, no vacancy.
No. Now you are rough. I don't know any other person. Now you are in my mind. Now you are ready for my ring.
See, you better go to your duty post before I change my mind. Madam will soon call me. I want to go and cook for them.
Okay. I mean, now you rough. Yes, I don't just suspect something for it. I say, now Shari, now you and Shari, I don't do something for it. When be like say, I suspect it. So you and Shari call it. So Shari where I carry come for very, consider won't take my robe from my hand. Get what robe?
I have no business with Charlie or whatever. I want to sweep. Go to your duty post before I change my mind. No fine girl for you. Go.
I don't dey talk am. I go wanna make it stay clear for my girl.
You better go before I change my mind. If I go to my car,
I go find Jari. I go tell am make it stay clear for my girl. I don't talk my reform. I go tell am make it stay clear for my girl.
You go. Always making somebody to just laugh.
Now my department be that. Not transfer of department.
Madam, welcome. Auntie, welcome.
Greet yourself.
Welcome, ma.
What have you been doing that you kept me waiting outside?
Madam, welcome. Na Rishi where they catch me where she see. I try to the one put the shit. I jump, I push the shit come down. I push me go up. I pull the shit come down. You see, I couldn't do the shit like this. No one come. Madam, I couldn't do like this. I chop cocoyam. Madam, I mean, you don't say very well chop cocoyam. You don't feel the shit before. You don't chop cocoyam before you don't feel shit.
You are mad. And who is this?
Now me supposed to dey ask you who you be. You just enter inside compound, just dey shout anyhow. Being a Nigerian police now you be.
What are this sort? Chico, who is this makeup?
Madam, no man, na renew driver who carry employee name na Shari.
Wetin dey happen? Who she be?
Shari, you know say na Oka sister be raised.
Who? Oga sister?
Yes, oh.
Ah, madam, welcome. I be no know say you be Oga sister.
Madam, no verse.
Madam, no verse.
You are out of your mind. How dare you talk to me without respect?
Sorry, madam.
You better compose yourself in this house. Else I kick you out. Okay. Anyway, I don't have your time now.
You see, I tell you say, na something, na go kill you. You know they believe me. Nah. Thank God say you don't jam for yourself.
But she just dey vex anyhow. I just talk to her small. She go just vex. Na so they take the vex.
Shari, me I tell you. That woman, no need am, just avoid am. If not there, that woman go give you Chinese. You go just finish you with that taekwondo and Chinese that you. That woman revive Chinese, so.
She dey fight Chinese?
Yes, so. You better avoid her, go.
But Chico, you know say woman no go fit beat me.
Eh?
This kind one, so if he give me Chinese, I go give am back. No, I know the fear.
Shari, I don't worry you.
Nah, you too dey fear. You too dey fear.
That woman revive Chinese,
so you woman go, you don't know my kind of person. Woman go come beat me.
I don't tell you. Shari, what do you do?
Wetin dey do you? Me no tell you say me na profession for mechanic. I get TC2, BP2, N22 for mechanic.
Shari, which time you gonna get that one?
I no need to dey tell you.
Shari, no go stop.
Watch wetin I wan do. That guy don too chop my money. Me no wan. I sabi where he sabi. Where he sabi, I don sabi pass am.
Shari, no spoon. No spoon, come moro.
Chico.
Me I
Chico, see. You do what?
Me I
Hey. Chico, quiet. You dey disturb my ear. I dey get am dey go. You dey disturb my ear.
Okay.
I wan go the real place when the guy dey go. He dey put him hand like this.
Shari?
Hey, oh, quiet. Hey, I don't get am. Chico, watch. I wan press am inside now. I dey press am.
Shari?
I go.
Shari? No, it's money for the girl. I don't know where the people are. You don't shake it. You won't carry the girl. Maybe you don't put the girl. You won't carry the girl. I don't know where the girl happen. You won't go carry the girl. You won't go. Come back here.
What is wrong with you now?
This is the one you are. I talk to you, Nara. When I want you, I go inside the bush.
You know what? When my dad come, I'll report to him.
When you are follow you the play, tomorrow you are out tonight, just the road. Why you got it? I don't know why you fear there. You don't know say police day. Now me with the jeep executive get man for this ass. Not the arrow. Nobody go be come this gate, God do everything. Now me look out.
Na food I shop. Hey, Chico.
Just think of a solution. Like this. I'll give you money. Go on, remove it.
Okay. I wanted the baby for you. I love you so much. Okay, let's go. Oh yeah. Action.
Come on.
You see, don't cut.
Oh, you want to talk or you don't? Are you blackmailing me or what?
Okay.
Kumike!
Just wait.
Come on here.
Remove one camera.
Oh, that's a mode. They follow you back.
Osas, arrange my room. Let me work on it.
Arrange the room. Help him.
He said you should arrange the room.
Help out to watch the bedroom. No! Sit down here. No! Sit down here. Okay, it's fine. You want to sit down. Okay, open it.
That's not going to be.
No, you never pick. Oh, that's a mode. They follow you. They waka. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry.